Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. This is the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. We start here with chapstick. I'm going to try and do this video really quick. This is a thank you. Before I do that, I'll show you what else we do here on this channel. After I tell you what the Crazy Troll Nation is, the crazy because of stuff like that. Like I forget to do my intro. The troll because there is no such thing. Just to remind you to accept yourself the way you are, to love yourself the way you are and for the way you look. Even though we like to play in face paint and we like to do all the things, try not to fall into that's how you have to look to be socially acceptable, or because that's what YouTube says, or this person says you have to use this tool, this brand, you have to do it like this. Rock what you want to wear with confidence. Love yourself the way you are and the way you look. That's the basic concept of the Crazy Troll Nation. Now on to what else we do here. This video is a huge thank you. One of my wonderful, fabulous subscribers contacted me about donating to Eclectic Beauty. That link is down below. Eclectic Beauty is under the umbrella of Covering the Gap. Covering the Gap, one element of that program, it is a 501c3. They provide, or we provide, I am on the board, and I was helping them through volunteering before they invited me to be on the board. They provide food services, household goods to those who write in and ask for services, and they can also write in to request services for someone else. And so that is Covering the Gap as a whole. Within that umbrella is also Helping Hands. That program provides toiletries, travel-sized toiletries to the homeless population. And we collect all year round, and we put the bags together at the end of the year. They get dispersed to different homeless shelters and other programs who help the homeless population. And just recently, well, not even recent at this point, about a year ago, I had the idea for Eclectic Beauty, which is putting together makeup kits / beauty bags to give to the homeless population or the transient population. And so someone wanted to donate makeup and other items to Eclectic Beauty and Helping Hands, which again is all under the umbrella of Covering the Gap. And I was like, wow, like that is really sweet. And a few other people who watch my channel have either donated in directly to them, or they prefer to send to me for me to actually do the bags, which I am the one who do the makeup bags and the beauty bags. But I'm just really grateful and I'm thankful. And so she said it would come today. I'm not going to say her name because I didn't ask if she wanted to remain anonymous or not. And she said it would be here Saturday, but I was working down in Maryland at Baltimore Playhouse. And so today is March 7th. It's a Monday. And I did go to the post office and her boxes were there. And so I'm just, it makes me feel emotional, because when you have a vision for something and you have a heart to help people, and for other people to embrace your vision or to have that same vision and want to help you, it's just like, wow, like it just means more than I can say. And we can only give out what we receive in. And I have come out of pocket a lot to pay for stuff to give away, but it just really means a lot when someone comes alongside and says, I want to help you do what you do. And so that's really important to me. And so thank you, and you know who you are. And I'm going to just do a donation haul. So I'm going to show what was sent, and they were sent in BoxyCharm boxes, and I laughed when I opened them because this person packaged the items way better than BoxyCharm sends their stuff to me in their base box. It's just like a piece of paper at the bottom and that's it. And this is, everything is like, you know, bubble wrapped and packaged, and I'm just like, why BoxyCharm don't do this? But anyway, so there's two boxes. This is one box, and the other one is a little bit bigger than this one. Is it the same size? No, it's just a tad bigger. But in here, in bubble wrap, there is a set of makeup brushes. And it has a bag to put the brushes in. And this is really awesome, because that's something I had thought about was, okay, we're giving makeup. And I know a lot of people do use their fingers for makeup. And when you're giving somebody something that doesn't have anything, they're just happy to get what we give them. But I was thinking like, okay, we're giving makeup, where are they going to put it on with? And so then I did buy different makeup brush sets when I seen them on sale. And so when I saw this, I was really excited, like, yes! And I'm excited like it's for me and it's not. But just knowing that not only are we giving them makeup, but we're giving them the tools to use to put the makeup on. And it's a makeup bag. So they can put the brushes in here. They can put some makeup in here. And so I was really excited to see that. Y'all, this just means so much to me. There's more bubble wrap. I'm like, BoxyCharm need to do this. There are 2, 4, 6 of these, and this is hand and body moisturizer. And because these are travel size, these will go to helping hands, because whether you're on the streets or not, you know, we need to keep our skin moisturized. And this is something that is very much needed along with other toiletries, because okay, we do toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, soap, shampoo, conditioner, feminine hygiene products, you know, chapstick, lip balm, and things like that. And lotion is also on the list. And we get more of some items than others. And so this is really nice. And it does say enchanted berries. And so I'm not sure if it's scented or not. I think it is, because some of the other ones says fairy tale wonder. And so I'm just really excited. On the Covering the Gap website, and that will be listed below. It's always in my description bar, and it's also in my link tree. There's also an Amazon wish list. And so if you're like, I want to help, I don't know what to send for Helping Hands, if you want to just go on the wish list, and it'll just be delivered directly to Covering the Gap. So that's something else you can do. And also they do take financial donations through the website. And also if you want to send stuff directly to me to take down there to Maryland, that's fine too. The makeup stuff, as I said, I'm the one who puts the kits together, and so it is helpful just to get it, because then I can just do all that here and then take it to where it goes. And so this bag, this is the other box. So if you're seeing a shadow, that's the box right here. So this is mascara. So a Ziploc bag with different mascaras in it, different brands. So that's really cool. And this bag is lip products, Burt's Bees, lip balm, lip gloss. This is awesome. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate this. And I know whoever gets these items will appreciate it too. And there's more bubble wrap. This is awesome. I'm like, BoxyCharm should do this. And there are 2 blushes from Maybelline. These are so cute. Highlighter / illuminators, and as you can see, there's 2 different colors. This one is more distinguishable, so it's light here and there's a pinkish here, and then there's a light here and like a silverish there. So there's 2 of those, and that's nice too, because they can get a blush and a highlighter. And so when I do the kits, I try and do it where they have one of everything: eyeliner, mascara, eyeshadows, blush, highlighter, brushes, lip gloss or a lipstick, a brow product, which I don't do a lot of complexion because you don't know who's going to get what bag and if it's going to match. But I do try and have enough to just do a full face minus complexion products. And if it's a translucent powder, you know, that works too, because you don't need to be a certain complexion to wear translucent. And this is a shadow palette. So they get an eyeshadow palette. So they have eyeshadow, blush, and a highlighter, mascara, lip products, and a set of brushes. And so there's like a whole kit like right here, and more than one kit, because there's multiples of the lip products and the mascaras. And then there's a blush palette, which will be really great, because then they can just pick whatever color they want to have instead of just having one shade. So again, this is everything. But again, just thank you so much for sending these items in. And it is just so exciting for me when I receive donations, and it's also exciting for me like when I'm putting the bags together, and then it's exciting again when I deliver things and they go places, and then to see people's face light up like, wow, like you're giving me this, and they're just so grateful and so thankful. Sometimes they cry, because when you're I don't want to say destitute in a bad way, but sometimes they really are. And so when you give them something for themselves, we love playing in face paint. If you're watching me, chances are you enjoy playing in face paint. You enjoy watching other people playing in face paint. And it does something for us. It enhances our happiness. It gives us some self-time, some self-care time. And it means a lot to be able to help someone else have those moments too. And also, there's a video from Refinery 29 where they talked about beauty on the streets, and I do believe that's linked down below as well. And if not, it's definitely on the Covering the Gap website, because I wanted people to see where this idea came from, and to see someone just light up when they're able to get their hair washed, to get their hair colored, to pick out makeup, or to put makeup on. And one lady in particular, you know, she said, well, at that time, and I haven't kept up with her, and she does have a YouTube channel too, she was saying how every day when she gets up, she does her makeup, and that helps her stay connected to humanity. It helps remind her that she's human. And she even made a sign in one of her videos, where she was showing us that she was making a sign, and it says, "I am still human." And so for her, it helped her stay connected to humanity, to just put on some eyeshadow, or, you know, to put on a lip gloss. And she also said how some people think, oh, it's wasteful, you're homeless. She said nobody ever went homeless buying a lip gloss for $1.50. And it was sad to me to even have to say that, because people think, why are you buying makeup? You know, eyeshadow might be $1. Well, now $1.25 at the dollar store. But you're not homeless because you spent, you know, $1 on eyeshadow or a lip gloss. And so some people just have these ideas of things, and it's just so wrong. I'll just say it is wrong. I know I'm rambling. I know you all understand what I'm saying. And especially if you do like to play in face paint, I know you know what I'm saying. Like, it just does something for us to be able to sit and play in makeup. And again, to be able to help someone else have those moments, it really means a lot to me. And that's why it means so much for those of you who help us help other people, because it is more than just us. There's a whole population out there who are struggling, and if we can help them, let's help them. And so thank you for these wonderful donations, and I'm going to put together some bags either tonight or tomorrow and then figure out where they're going to go. And I'm just really excited, and you all will see me in the next video. And thanks again. I really mean it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for helping us help other people. It really means a lot to me and to them. And so I'm really going to go, and yeah, so thank you.